Hello and welcome to the busiest and most spectacular airport in the world, Istanbul Airport. Istanbul Airport is the gateway between continents and one of the most stunning airports in the world. In this walkthrough, we'll explore the airport's incredible interior, while sharing some amazing facts about this global hub. As we step inside, it's hard not to be impressed by the sheer scale of Istanbul Airport's main terminal. At 1.4 million square meters, it's the largest single terminal building in the world. This mega airport is designed to handle an incredible 200 million passengers per year once fully operational. Currently, it's already one of the busiest, handling around 64 million passengers in 2023, just 5 years after opening. Istanbul Airport has 5 operational runways, with plans for up to 6 runways in the future. These runways are capable of handling up to 3,500 flights per day. Imagine that a plane taking off or landing almost every 25 seconds. Turkish Airlines, headquartered here, is key to the airport's success. It flies to more countries than any other airline in the world, around 334 destinations in total. Walking further in, you'll find a duty-free shopping area that's more like a luxury mall. Spanning 55,000 square meters, Istanbul Airport's duty-free is among the largest in the world. It offers a wide range of high-end luxury brands like Gucci, Chanel, and Rolex, alongside authentic Turkish products, perfect for gifts and souvenirs. Whether you're looking for exclusive fashion, the latest tech gadgets, designer perfumes, or fine spirits, there's something for every traveler. So, before you head to your gate, take a moment to explore the duty-free. It's the perfect way to add a bit of luxury or a special memento to your journey.
CO2 after Vienna.
you for joining us on this tour of Istanbul Airport's incredible duty-free. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough and found some inspiration for your next trip. Safe travels, and we look forward to seeing you here soon. Goodbye.